In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slice in Inkscape. Slicing lets you cut one object into pieces using another object as a cutter, which is perfect for making layered designs, custom cutouts, or separating shapes for editing. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Once it's open, either create a new document or open an existing file you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, set up your canvas the way you like, units, page size, and zoom, so you can see your shapes clearly. Now, place the object you want to slice on the canvas. On top of that, add a line or shape that will act as your cutter. A rectangle, circle, star, or any custom shape works great. A simple line can work too, but keep in mind that division uses the filled area of the top object. If your line has only a stroke and no fill, you may need to convert it to a path with area for predictable results. The key idea is that the top object defines where the bottom object will be divided. Make sure the cutter is visually on top of the object to be sliced. If you can't tell, a quick check is to select the cutter and ensure it's above in the stacking order. Now, select both objects. You can do this by shift-clicking each one or by dragging a selection box around them. Order matters here. The top object is the cutter. The bottom object is what gets sliced. With both selected, go to the Path menu at the top. From there, click Division. In a moment, you'll see the result. The bottom object is cut along the edges of the top object. The cutter disappears automatically, leaving you with separate, clean pieces where it intersected the shape. At this point, each piece is its own path. You can move them apart to see the cuts clearly, change their colors to highlight different sections, or delete the parts you don't need. If you plan to keep related pieces together, consider grouping them. And if you want to experiment, it's smart to duplicate your original shape before slicing so you always have a backup. If division doesn't seem to do anything, check a few quick things. Make sure you truly have two objects selected. Confirm the cutter is on top, and verify that shapes are paths rather than groups or live text. Converting elements to paths generally makes the operation more reliable. That's it. Clean, fast slicing in Inkscape using path, then division.